Morning guys, in front of me is Vivo Y95 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first open the settings, then find and select more settings, and here go to backup and reset. Now select backup data and here choose Google. Now mark this indicator to turn it on, and now if you do have your Google account added to this device, it will be right here, so the account will be added. But if you don't have one yet, you will have to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the passcode, password, so you are logged in and the backup is active. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.